Hello everyone, Sparrow Vision. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to the Sparrow Vision studio. We have another good old song. This one's by Brian Lewis. I think my dog's a Democrat.
I think my dog's a Democrat, and it breaks my heart to have to say an ugly thing like that. But there's a big old pile of evidence that all points towards the fact my dog might be a Democrat. I pay for all his health care, and I buy everything he eats. I provide him with a place to live just to keep him off the streets. But he just acts like he's entitled, even trying to unionize the cat. Yeah, I think my dog's a Democrat. He chewed up the Constitution that I keep on display. And every time Benghazi's on TV, he looks the other way.
What difference at this point does it make?
I know he's a liberal, even if he won't admit it. And tried to tell me George Bush did it. He ain't got no papers, and what really gets my goat is if he could find a ride to town, well, I know they'd let him vote. Well, sure, we've had some good times, and he's been fun to have around. If he ever barks about my right to bear arms, I'm gonna have him put down. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? I pay for all his health care, and I buy everything he eats. I provide him with a place to live just to keep him on the streets. You'd have to be a socialist to ever act like that. So my dog must be a Democrat. His behavior has been hinting that his mom might be Mrs. Clinton. Yeah, I think my dog's a spread the wealth, government health, flea-bitten Democrat.
Oh, that's a good one. I think my dog's a Democrat. Oh, if you like it, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you got something you want me to play, review, put on the channel, give me a call at 765-388-4672. Until next time.